Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaring mag-shift sa energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay? So, let's see. Ayan. Okay. We have here, Wheel of Fortune. Unang-unang card. And the Six of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. The Eight of Pentacles. And this full card. The Ace of Swords. King of Cups and the Eight of Wands. Okay, so willing ka na mag-take ng risk ngayon Mukhang may susubukan kang opportunity na talagang parang natatakot ka pero gusto mong subukan. So, Nine of Swords. Medyo nag-aalangan ka dito Natatakot ka na baka mag-failed ka. So, tingnan natin Kuha muna tayo ng card dito. Message ng Archangel natin. Pero, mukhang okay naman siya, Ayan, Ayan, prosperity by Archangel Ariel. Your material needs are provided as you follow your intuition and manifest your dreams into reality. So, ito na go signal mo to. Ayan, prosperity. And with this Eight of Wands, talagang it's a go signal for you. So, wag mo nang palampasin, Wag mo nang palampasin tong opportunity na to. So, tingnan natin to, So, willing ka ba talaga mag-take ng risk? Kasi itong full card natin dito, atat na yan. So, tingnan natin we have here. Pero mag-research ka talagang i-background check mo lahat ng opportunity kasi baka mamaya scam or hindi maganda ang background. So, don't forget to research about this. Okay? So, we have here mirror, coffin, kasi naka-experience ka na ng ganun, kaya parang natatakot ka ngayon. So, we have here coffin and closed book and telephone. Ito na, hinihintay mong tawag, So, we have here bottom card natin, big fish. So, malaking opportunity ito na paparating sa'yo. So, grab it. So, big fish to malaking opportunity ito. Kaya wag mo na itong palampasin. Sayang na sayang naman. Okay? So, tingnan natin dito. And may strong Scorpio tayo dito. Strong Scorpio. Sino ba tong strong Scorpio na to? Maring itong taong to ay nagre-research about you or may obsession energy. So, tingnan natin Parang ko stalker. Maring stalker mo or someone na secret admirer. So, tingnan natin. I want you back na naman to. The struggle is real. I have multiple opportunities. Pero mukhang may babalik nga Ayan Itong coffin natin dito mukhang may magre-resurrect. Mukhang may babangon sa sa coffin Mukhang sinarado mo na to Ayan sinarado mo na, nilibing mo na sa limot tong taong to Pero ayan I want you back na naman to. I regret rejecting you. Waiting for you, miss you so much. Ayun lumabas to. I'm addicted to you. So, obsession to. Ang taong obsessed to sa'yo, And I want to marry you someday. Parang narinig ko tuloy yung, yung, lagi ko narinig ito sa TikTok Yung obsession na kanta. You're so sweet and caring. Yung paparazzi, yon paparazzi. Parang ganun, kahit saan ka magpunta, sinusundan ka nitong taong to. Lakas ng obsession energy. So, tingnan natin. So, maring itong taong ito din yung isa sa mga tawag ng tawag sa'yo. Ayan. May hinihintay kang tawag sa opportunity mo, sa mga mo. Tapos, eto sisingit siya Sisingit siya sa tawag. Ayan, tingnan natin. More messages natin dito. So, we have here, you were the best thing in my life. I regret lying to you. I'm starting to understand our connection, and I wish I could take back my words. I couldn't let you get close to me. I know I messed up everything. I wish things could be different, and I love you unconditionally. Oh. Pero maraming secrets tong taong 'to, ayaw niya mabulgar. Kaya parang hanggang masid-masid lang siya sa'yo, hindi siya makalapit, 'no? And tingnan natin, I want you. Oh, pero gustong-gusto ka ng taong 'to. Kuha tayo ng initials. Pero wala siyang ginagawang move, stalking lang, sinusundan-sundan ka lang. Ayan, oh, alam niya lahat tungkol sa'yo, eh. Kahit wala siyang tinatanong, alam niya lahat tungkol sa'yo. Letter H. Letter A. Mukhang na-research niya lahat ng tungkol sa'yo. Envy. Letter D. Letter O. Letter Z. S. Bottom card natin, letter E. Ayan. So, kuha tayo ng blue card natin. So, we have here true love, attraction, and ayan, no, addictions. Capricorn. Nako, lakas ng Capricorn natin dito. Talagang obsessed tong taong to. Obsessed na obsessed to sa'yo. So, tingnan natin. Pero yung obsession niya, not in a, in a possessive or bad energy. So, kumbaga parang, yung way ng pagsunod niya sa'yo is just, parang overprotective, ganun. Tingnan natin, parang bodyguard. Bodyguard energy. So, gusto lang niya makauwi ka ng safe, ganyan. So, parang mga ganon. Not in a creepy way, ha. Creepy, pero not in a bad way. So, ganon yung energy nitong taong to. So, we have here Libra. Emotional. 4. Flirtatious. Neighbor. Maring neighbor mo to, ha. Quiet person, tahimik lang. Scorpio. Hilarious. December. Patience, please. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, friendly, high expectations. September, Visayas, perfect smile. June, very serious. Number 9, intelligent, North PH, weird, and party animal. Okay, so 7 bottom card. So yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.